All right, what's going on, y'all? This is Sean McClendon of Math Swap Tutoring, and I'm solving a SAT type problem here. If you want to know where I got it from, you can look at the link in the description. But I also encourage you, if you have not tried to solve it yet, make sure you try to solve it before you actually see me solve it. All right. Because that's the only way it's going to actually help you to improve if you're about to take the SAT and you need to improve your math score. All right, so we see this equation here, R equals F over N plus F. And the problem reads, a website uses the formula above to calculate a seller's rating, R, based on the number of favorable reviews, F, and unfavorable reviews, N. Express the number of favorable reviews in terms of the other variables. Forgot a period here. All right, so you have all this information here in the problem, but really at the end of the day, all this is just algebra where you have to solve in terms of whatever. So this is like algebra 1 type stuff here. All right. So let me rewrite here. R equals F over N plus F. So you want to express a number of favorable reviews, that's F, in terms of the other variables. So the other variables are R and N. So in other words, all this is saying is solve for F. Okay. That's all it's saying. Or find F in terms of R and N. Okay. So now look, we have R equals F over N plus F. Obviously, we're going to need to combine these F's here, but one's in the numerator, one's in the denominator. So we need to get this out of the numerator here. So the way we're going to do that, out of the denominator. So we're going to multiply this by N plus F. And then whatever you do to one side, you got to do to the other side. So these cancel. So then you have N plus F times R equals F. Okay. Now, the only way that we're going to be able to combine these is we're going to have to use the distributive property to distribute these here. Okay. So this is going to be Rn plus Rf equals F. Okay. Now, let's put both F's on the same side. So you have Rn is equal to F minus Rf. Okay, now you have a situation where you can factor. Rn equals F times 1 minus R. Then finally, you can divide both sides by 1 minus R. It's going to give you F is equal to R times N over 1 minus R. Okay. Now, let me confirm very quickly, make sure that's actually correct, and it is. Okay. All right, so again, you got all this information talking about like what this information is used for, something about um favorable review or reviews, or calculating somebody's rating based on their favorable reviews and unfavorable reviews. Now that's probably important for whoever it is, whatever website, but for you, you just need to be able to solve for F. That's it. Okay. Let me know if you got this. And also, if you need SAT help, you want to join one of my free SAT math workshops, you look at the link in the description. Go there, click that, and join me. And then also, if you need math tutoring, there's a link in the description to schedule a free consultation for that. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Y'all have a great day.